Hello viewers, this is Ganesh Bordrai and I am back with another song, my favorite singer song, that is Asule Rojeko Jiban by Divya Subba. I like this song very much, so I want to sing. Asule Rojeko Jiban मुस्कुराउँछ तिम्रो यादमा मिलन नभए बिते जीवन भने सरिदेऊ फुलासुमाथि याद राख मेरो माया अमर